Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a simple matte paint. For creating a simple matte paint, the most important thing is a concept. Once you are clear in your mind what exactly you want in that scene, you are good to go. Another important thing that you have to keep in mind is perspective, depth, light, shadow, color. Now always remember, closer the object is, more clear and dark it will appear. Further the object is, fader and lighter it will be. So let's get started. Where's my coffee? This is the matte paint that I've created. Let me just show you step by step how I've created this matte paint. Here, I prefer working on a grey background, as on grey background I can even see light colors also. Next thing what I've done, I've made a rough sketch on the basis of my concept. Drawing this helps me a lot, giving my matte paint a shape. Now where can I get images from? There are millions and billions of images on internet. You can download them for free. And another option is, if you are into photography, go out there, click your pictures and use them in your matte paint. Here in this matte paint I've used these three images. Now always remember, it is always easy if you start with the base image. This is my base image and I've taken mask layer, as I was only needing this part of the image. Now you can see this part of the image is not going with the image. Light is not proper, trees are distorted. So what I've done is, I've imported that image again and transformed it a bit, increased its size and taken a mask layer. Now light is proper and trees are looking good. So we are good to go. Now my base is ready. Next thing I want was mountain on which there is a castle, and light is falling on that castle, giving it a prime focus in the scene. So there is the next image of a mountain where I have applied mask, painted only part that I have needed from that image. Next thing was castle. Now here it took me lots of time to merge the mountain and castle together, as every image in the matte paint should look the part of each other. Once this part is looking perfect, you see the waterfall is coming from nowhere. So while I was working on mountain and castle, an idea came in my mind that I can show that waterfall is emerging from that holes of the castle. Same process I've done over here. I've imported that image of mountain and transformed it a bit. Took a mask layer and here we are. After that, I've done some paint on the sky because I didn't needed that part of the mountain. Next thing is shadows. Since enough light cannot reach behind the castle, so for that I've used paintbrush tool and applied a soft light effect on it. Same effect I have used for projecting light on castle. And last thing are the birds, and a simple matte paint is created. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you got to learn something. Please like, share and comment below.